The Baha Smart App allows you to make sound adjustments and save customized listening programs called favorites. Here's how. To make sound adjustments, tap the equalizer icon on the home screen to adjust bass, mid, and treble. Move the sliders up or down to optimize the sound to the environment you are in. Tap the undo icon to return to default settings. The app has some presets that could be useful in different sound environments. Presets contain a mix of noise handling settings and equalizer adjustments. To save these settings as a favorite in the app for easy access later, tap Create a Favorite. Choose an icon for your new favorite, then tap Next. Favorites are stored in the app and not on the sound processor. If you have an iPhone, you can add a GPS location to your favorite.